I will call you.
Yeah. Come, sir, the gate, please. Come here with the gate, please.
Auntie! Sir! Madam! We want a job! There's no way! I'm good. I was thinking this moment.
What is going on in my apartment now?
Yes!
Oh! Hey, boys!
Yes!
I can hear you from my balcony. You're busy screaming, job. Hey, do you want the job?
Yes!
Oh, you want the job?
Yes!
Oh, I see. You don't want the job?
Yes!
Oh, how come? Wait, how come? Do you want the job?
Yes!
Oh, you want the job?
Yes!
Okay. You don't want the job?
Yes!
Hey! How come?
Yes!
Oh, no. You guys must be idiots, man.
Yes! Yini idiot? Intamuhle. Sibahle. Okusho ukuthi kuzoba idiot 1, idiot 2, idiot 3.
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh no, it's fine. You see, boys, because I see that you want a job, something to work. Come, follow me to my office. Come.
Yes!
No, boys, I have a job for you, okay?
Yes.
I hear you screaming job. I have a job.
Yes.
Now, come and follow me to my office to sign an agreement. Come, follow me, boys.
Yes! Uyabona nomlungu wakho lo? Ngahamba mina ngikhathala nomlungu.
Hey, come follow me to my office. Hey, funny. You're such an idiot.
Yes!
You don't know English.
Yes!
Yeah. You're such a silly person. There's this boy, Mqabla Sheshe. He works for me. He's my son, Mqabla Sheshe. I don't know where is he, because he's the one who knows English. Maybe he can translate for you.
No.
Translate, because I see that you really an idiot. Where is my son, Mqabla Sheshe? There is this boy who works for me, Mqabla Sheshe. Where is my son, Mqabla Sheshe? I cannot seem to find my son. Mqabla Sheshe! How, yeah, Mqabla Sheshe, my son.
Yes, my dude.
My son!
Yes,
I have
my
a
dude.
big problem, my
You
son.
have a big problem. Who is this guy now?
Yeah, my son.
Hey,
This is the idiot.
Oh, they are idiots.
Yeah. My son. Yeah, my son. But don't tell him I said he's an idiot, okay? Oh. Yeah, don't tell him.
I no problem. No problem.
My son.
Wakwethiza njengondewe sikhanyila ngithini ngiyabo. Sorry mnumzane. Mina ngumsebenzi wala ekhaya. Lo ubus John wami, umlungu wami. Ngisebenzela yena.
Yeah. My son. Because I'm a busy man, you know me, my son.
Yeah.
Tell this idiot to follow me to my office. I have a job for him. Tell him to follow me.
Hayi uthi umlungu ngimtshela ukuthi unomsebenzi yasemndenini sehofisi.